Hey YouTube, just checking in here. We've got one of our new prints going. Not telling you what this one is. We're going to show you the steps of it as it completes, and we'll show you the final product. Hope this one turns out really cool. I'm pretty excited for it. So this one, unfortunately, is not going to be ready for another 2 days and 15 hours. It's been printing for a little over 24 hours now. It's a bigger print, takes a little while, but hard to pass up on the Prusa because it doesn't, chew up too much filament. It does really well. However, we are expected to burn through a couple of rolls on this print. One of the things that we got recommended, if you haven't ever done it, magnets. So we got these magnets just off of Amazon. Sorry, there it goes. Now it focuses. It came in a big assortment pack of just these little tiny flat washer magnets. And so when we have a brim or a support that has started to come up, you can see one a little bit in that corner. Nothing to worry about. But on the ones where you see it start to pull up significantly, we've actually saved a few prints by throwing this magnet on top of the brim to hold that support in place while it finishes. So if you are having issues with that, or you guys have never used the magnets, somebody recommended it to us, and it's been a cool idea. Works out really well. Saved more than a couple prints for us. Doesn't work every time, but hey, if you can save a few of the prints, it's worth it. On the bamboo, this one is almost done. This is a 3-plate print. We are at 81%. So when it finishes, I will show you that one. But that is the check-in for today. What's up, YouTube? Alright, we are now 2 days into this print. 2 days and 16 hours to be exact. Coming along great. Supports look awesome. Print's looking great. No shifts, no bumps. Overall, very happy with it. Excited for this portion to be done. It is 9 total plates for this print, so it is going to take a little bit. We are burning through our olive green filament a little faster than I had anticipated. And I would have swore we had a spare roll. I gave this big long video yesterday about having extra rolls, and I screwed the pooch and forgot to add an extra roll of this olive green. So we hopped on late last night, ordered another 6 of this color, but it's not supposed to be here for another 4 days. So hopefully it's enough to finish out this print and get us started on the next one, and get the filament here so we're not down too much time. But as of right now, this print is looking absolutely gorgeous. Can anybody tell what it is yet? Alright, so last night we had our printer stop. It had a clogged extruder, so it stopped till we cleared it. We cleared it this morning, and after we cleared it, you can see beautiful layer shift. Shifted everything all the way over to even the wipe tower. Not sure why it does this. We made extra careful not to bump anything on the printer, but yeah, it shifted over. So we are 3.5 days into this print, and now we're gonna have to cancel it because that is going to drive me nuts. It's just, yeah, that sucks. Pretty good size shift.